friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is really interesting and it is sources of energy. We get energy from many resources. Some of them are renewable and some are non-renewable. So, after watching this video, you will clearly understand about them and the differences between them. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First point is meaning or definition. Renewable resources are the natural resources around us, which can be used numerous times and get replenished. On the other hand, non-renewable resources were formed deep in Earth's crust billions of years ago. Hence, once used, they disappear forever. Examples: solar energy, wind energy, energy obtained from water, forest are the examples of renewable resources. And petrol, coal, nuclear energy, natural gas are typical examples of non-renewable resources. Limitation: renewable resources are present in unlimited quantity and non-renewable resources are present in limited quantity. Replenish or renewal: renewable resources replenish naturally and fast. Non-renewable resources, once used, cannot be replenished by the environment. Effect on environment: renewable resources are eco-friendly as the amount of carbon emission is low, and non-renewable resources are not eco-friendly as the amount of carbon emission is high. Maintenance cost: the maintenance cost of the renewable resources is very high, and the maintenance cost of the non-renewable resources is comparatively low. Dependency on weather: renewable resources often depend on weather for their source of power. For example, solar energy is not available on cloudy and rainy days. Non-renewable resources are not dependent on weather and available throughout the year in all the seasons. Area required: renewable resources require a huge area for the installation of the power project. Non-renewable resources don't require a huge area for the installation of the power project. Nature: renewable resources are sustainable and non-renewable resources are exhaustible. Thanks for watching, friends.